Well, hello, 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 my mad scrappers. I am back. I am back. Let's do this. We are going to do our giveaway. But you're going to say, Myra, this is not the computer screen. You're right. It isn't the computer screen. It's a view of my desk. You're going to say, Myra, there's stuff here on your desk. We've already seen it. You're right. You have actually seen this before. So you're going to say, Myra, what is this? You know what this is? This is penance. This is penance for the torture of the initial review, premiere, and now for this one. So live is still not working for me. Until it does, and I can do it the way I want to do it, I'm not doing it. So I do not feel confident. So yes, I have converted this into a premiere. I will be hanging out with you in chat, talking, typing as fast as I can. I am sorry for that, guys. But to make that up, I am doing a bonus giveaway. So no, not 6. Now there'll be 7 items. So that's what I am showing you, because these are the duplicates. When I made my order for Craft Stash for the Sunflower Collection, Dingleberry here somehow managed to order these 3 in duplicate. They may have been supposedly come together. I hit 2, or I hit 1 as a group and then these as individuals. I don't know what I did. But, I was loath to return it. So, and now the opportunity presented itself. And then I've had this, and I had to go back to the house to, yeah, that's a whole other story about not having the keys. That we went out with Nan on Saturday, and we were going to take Nan's car. We usually do. We take her Buick, and Steve was going to drive, and she said, oh no, but we just got a new car. She said, I want to ride in your car, in Steve's new car, so not a problem. So in the rigmarole of going from one car to the other, we just dropped the keys in the car, and we'll get them later. Well, nobody thought about later. So, a couple days later, I got to run down somewhere, and I can't find keys to. The only keys I could find was to the old Subaru, no AC, in July in California. It was not pretty, but today she had an appointment, and I had to take the cat to the vet. And I go, this isn't happening. So what do I have to do? I had to run home to pick up the keys to come back. So anyway, so I saw this. I'm like, ooh, and since I already planned this, I know this is a long story going long. When have you guys known me to do anything short? So I thought I'm going to add this to the bonus prize. So this is a stamp set with the edgeable die from Gemini. I've had it for a while. I bought it because, well, sunflowers. And I barely opened it, as you can tell, probably for the reveal, and then never did anything with it after that. So you guys get this one more chance. So we are also going to add, so when I pull the prizes in a minute, we are going to be pulling for this one too. So, in an attempt to redeem myself. So give me just a minute, guys. I'm now going to move over to the computer, and we're going to do this. Be right back.
Well, okay, my mad scrappers, I have returned. And we're ready for our drawing. So I've got all my lovely list of names. There are 41 of you who entered. Wow! I am so pleased that I have so many entrants, you guys. You guys honor me by hanging out, by watching my videos, by commenting, by liking, by viewing. Just the whole enchilada. And I wanted to do this for you guys because I want you to know that I do appreciate you more than you can imagine. This little channel of mine is a labor of love. It's not anything spectacular. It's not like I have this phenomenal talent. I started doing this just because I wanted to share the madness, so that you guys put up with me. It means more to me than you can imagine, and I do, and I feel bad when I can't put out as much content as I want to. And I'm making, peace with kind of like trying not to beat myself up over that, because this isn't my full-time job. I have a full-time job, and then I have a couple of part-time jobs with, both moms, and I'm working here. And then this is the truth. I'm not making it as an excuse, but this is the truth of just so you understand. I am also, decluttering the upstairs. I'm also, apparently, it looks like we are, no matter what, going to be moving, because we just got notified that our rent is increasing like ridiculously. I guess they're making up for, the pandemic, but like, wow. I'm like saying, yeah, we're not staying there. So things just got additionally interesting. So We will see. I will still hang out with you, but I mean, forgive me. I can't do like a video a day. I try, and when I can, I will. And sometimes it'll be something silly. And sometimes, I mean, I have a mail call. I brought packages home yesterday, so you'll be seeing that hopefully tomorrow. So that's just, I just want you guys to understand that it's not that I don't care. Doesn't I really love doing this. But this also can be, it takes time to record and then to edit and then to upload. And then when things go wrong, you want to rip your hair out, and my hair's already falling out. I don't need any help. I mean, it's just like, wow. This week was just like cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. So, anyway, enough whining and complaining, because if I'm going to whine, I need to have cheese and crackers with that. Okay. So let's get to it. So we've got all our names here. I have got 41 entrants. So let's move over to random.org. And I'm hoping that you guys can see this. So I'm going to go ahead. We have here's our random number generator. So I want you guys to see this, but on the offhand chance it doesn't show up, I'm going to screenshot every number generated and I'll insert it in so that you guys can see who is once, and I'll show you back. We'll go back to the name, oh my goodness, the Google Docs list of everybody's name. So we are going minimum one. We're going to go to 41 because that's how many of you are there. And we are now going to go for our first winner. Let's see who it is. Let's generate a number. Who is it? It is number 41. Well, go figure. But give me a second. I am going to screenshot that because I want everybody to see that number 41 is winner number one. Okay, let's go here. And who is number 41? Number 41 is Teresa Wood. Woo! Teresa, I hope you're there hanging out with us. You have just won. It isn't the Price is Right, but it's us. And it's me. And you will now shoot me. I can't remember. What was the first prize I listed? Was it not the Spellbinders card kit? Guys, we're going to have to backtrack the video. But if I recall correctly, it was the Spellbinders card kit. So, Teresa, that Spellbinder, the June card kit is yours. Wah! I should have your address. Shoot me an email just to make sure that you saw this. But I believe I have your email address. I will also notify you, and I will get this out in the mail in the next day or two. All right. Hopefully today, hopefully by Friday. My goal is Friday to hit the post office with all of this stuff. All right. So now let's go back. Let's go for winner number 2. Okay, so we're back to number 1 through 41. Hopefully you guys can see that. So we're going to hit the generate button again. And who is it now? 22. Who's number 22? But wait, hang on. Screenshot time. Uh-oh, and the screenshot. Oh, because I'm putting the whole wrong button on. Sorry, guys. You can get these pregnant pauses. There we go. And if you guys see the flash, I have no idea what the video will show. But anyway, so it's number 22. Who's number 22? Number 22 is Lucy M. Lucy, you are winner number 2. Lucy, if I'm not incorrect in the order of the video, you are winning the Simon Says stamps card kit that I had. And I found an added piece that somehow fell out of the box. So there's a little piece of ribbon that's part of that kit, but you are my number 2 winner. Yay! And I will get that prize to you hopefully by the end of the week. So in fact, on that note, Lucy M, let me write these down because otherwise I'm not going to remember. In a minute, I'll have to watch my own video to know who won. Oh my gosh, because there you go. It's the madness, people. What can I say? Okay, let's go for now for number 3. Let's see who's our next winner. Hit generate. Number 3 is going to be number 5. That kind of sounds weird, huh? But there you go. It's just me. All right, so I got a screenshot of that. Let's go see who is number 5 on our list. Number 5 is Gail Banks. Gail, I've seen your comments. Yay! Congratulations, you are number 3. Gail, you are getting the Zutter organizing box that you can organize your stamps in. And hopefully you're going to organize your stamps better than I ever did, which was not at all. Anything more than what I did is an improvement. So That is yours. Again, I will get a hold of you and let you know and send you tracking information when it goes out. All right. So now let's go back. We still have more prizes. Let's go for number 4. Who's going to be number 4? Okay, we're going to do our generate button. Let's click. And number 20. So number 20 is our next winner. Hold on a moment for a screenshot. And let's go back over there and see who is number 20. Number 20, Dana Crawford. Dana, you are our next winner. You are number 4. Now, Dana, let me look and see. I can't be sure here. I'm fairly confident, and if not, that's how I'm calling it. I am saying that you're winning the Crafter's Companion 3D Borders Craft Kit. Okay, because now at this point, I think I stacked them in the right order. I think it was the top 3. I did not. But this is, so you get the 3D Crafter's Companion Borders Kit, all right? So I will get a hold of you, I'll send you a notification, and I will give you tracking information. Yay! Okay, let's go back. And I'm sitting here, you can't see me, but I'm sitting here waving my arm like Kermit the Frog, with that crazy wave. Imagine that, me doing that, and I will leave you with that visual. You're welcome. Okay, so let's go. Who is next? Okay, we are now going for winner number 4. So, and I should have, let me go right down. Okay. All right, so winner number 4. Let's hit generate again. Let's see who's our 4th winner. Number 24. Number 24. Hang on, screenshot moment. Okay, let's go back. Let's flip over here and see who is number 24. Brenda Gomez, if you're there, you just won. You got the 3D board. No, did you? Did I just not? That's okay. I can't even count anymore, guys. No, you didn't get the 3D borders. Hang on, I'm already called that. Don't hate me. Don't hate me. I'm sorry. The next one is the Penny Sliders craft kit from Crafter's Companion. Yay! This one is all yours, my friend. This is the one where I have 2 of them. So you will at some point you guys are going to see that other one show up in a giveaway at some point. Because if I wasn't going to do 1, I'm for sure not going to do 2. And there you go. Okay, so that's now we're up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 winners, guys. We still have 2 more because now we have a bonus winner. So let's go back and let's see who is our winner number 6. Let's generate winner number 6. Let's go. Whee! It is number 11. 1, 1. Let me screenshot that. Okay, screenshot moment is over. Let's move over here and see who is number 11. Joe Dressler. Joe, we got a guy in the group. Yes! I love it! That is the best. Joe, you got the Penny Slider kit. Yay! There we go. We're representing here. Is this not women? Okay, so yay, Joe. I will be getting a hold of you as well and letting you know when it goes out and sending you tracking information to. All right. So the last one, guys, and I've been trying to drag this out a little bit just so I can sit and chat with you guys. But so we'll still go a little bit longer. But so now we're down to the bonus winner. The bonus, the penance prize, not because you've been bad, but because I've been bad. I thought, I'm like, oh, this is, but I was going to add it, and I go, no, this is too small to add for this one. But I go, you know what? We'll make it the bonus prize. And then I added that. I found that at the house, and I go, there we go. It's meant to be. So we are now, this is the penance. This is the TheMaddScrapper paying penance for being technologically completely a disaster. And there you go. You can't teach, old dogs new tricks, or you can, but it takes us a little longer. Wait a minute, because why do I still have one on the floor? Wait a minute. How many do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So where did I go wrong? Hold on a minute, guys. I need to count for a moment. Because we have 1, 2, 3, 5. So somewhere along the lines, okay, so we did summer. So Joe, you're not actually getting no, you are getting, no, you're getting the 3D transfers. Somewhere I went wrong, people. And awarding prizes. So, of course, you guys have to know I was going to goof this up somehow, right? So, we definitely are, because I'm counting 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, number 7 is the bonus winner. So, never mind. We are going to move on. We are now going to generate winner number 7 before I do something else crazy and screw it up. Okay, so let's hit our generate button. And winner number 7 is number 31. Wait one moment for our print screen. Ah! Okay, done with the print screen. Let's move over and see who number 31 is. Number 31 is Rita C. Jackson. Rita, you are our last winner, and the bonus prize. You got this because I'm a screw up. Yay, Rita! Everybody, let's say yay, Rita. So Rita, I will also be notifying you and giving you tracking information and letting you know what this goes out. My goal is Friday, push comes to shove. It will be Saturday, but I'm hoping to show up at the post office with all this kind of stuff and have them look at me like, really, lady? And I go, yup, 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 yup. But thank you guys again. Thank you. Thank you for hanging out with me and putting up with me and my madness the way that you do. I mean, whenever you guys, your comments, they brighten my day. You guys are just amazing. Really, seriously. Yeah, I go, you totally make my day. I cannot ever, ever, ever thank you enough for hanging out with me. All right, guys. So I'm going to leave you now only because I need to render this video, and then I've got to upload this video and make sure it hits YouTube before we go do the premiere at 6:30 tonight. So I will see you in the chat. All right, guys. Again, thank you so much. Congratulations to all of the winners. You guys are all winners in my heart. I really, and I mean this, I really do love you all. It gives me just so much joy when I see people actually, watch my videos and they like my videos, and and they make comments and always want to see more madness. Why, I have no idea, but trust me, I have it in spades, so I got plenty to hang around. All right, guys. So I will see you at the next one. And that should hopefully be in the next day or two. I should have more tomorrow, so I definitely will be uploading because I already have them shot, rendered, and ready to upload. So I'll see you at the next one, guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Love you all. And don't forget, we're all a little mad here. So come, let's craft the madness together, okay? I'm going to talk to you guys later. Bye.